Assalamualaikum guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And I hope so you will be all fine. Sorry for late coming to the YouTube. So we just make the tutorials for the beginners, and as I told you that I will start the uh, series of 3D racing game in Unity. So I will start soon, but I want you to know some little bit more about Unity. So there are three or four things we will be known in the Unity. So textures, how to make a script, little script, and using the 3D objects. So we are going to make a solar system, okay, and we call in Urdu Nizam Shamsi. So we are going to make a solar system. So I want to create a folder here, and it will contain the textures, okay, and the other folder which will be the scripts, okay. So this is a little project, okay, don't worry about it, and you will get to know about it very soon. So okay, open the texture folder, and I have downloaded some textures like all planet textures, and sun textures, okay, earth texture, and it must be the 8 textures, okay. So just to go to and add this texture. You can download these textures from the internet, that like I will type the textures, earth textures, and go to the images, and you have a lot of textures. You can pick anyone as you like, okay. So this is the idea. So we have here 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, because we have 8 planets. The ninth planet, Pluto, was disappeared many years ago, okay. So we have okay, let's just we are going to create a 3D sphere, okay. We are, where is this sphere? Okay, here, yeah, there is a sphere, and it will be the sun, okay. So we have a sun here, and I will increase its scale about 2. So I have make the scale a little bit up, okay. How to use the textures, it's very simple, okay. Just you have to do is open the materials. You can just, okay, you can just hold this texture and add it to it. Just put it to it, and it will be add the sun texture. You can add on this, you can add here, like from this you can select it. So what it will do, it will create a material, like you can see it's created this material, okay, and it just added to it. So like we have a sun here. I'm just making a simple tutorial one, okay. Now we have the idea, like I will go to duplicate this one. or we can create an other 3D object like sphere. Simple. But uh, the other method is just delete it, select the delete button, it will delete it. I'm going to select the sun and control D, it will duplicate it. So I will get this one, and I will rename it. I will rename it Mercury, because Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Okay, and I will decrease its size 1, 1 and 1 because the planet is smaller. Okay, just little bit more. Okay, so what I will do, that I will duplicate the sun, and I will call it M. M will be for the Mercury, and if I disable this one, the main sun, so now we have the Mercury. Okay, no, sorry, if I disable the sun, the main one, and the duplicate one is now enabled, so there is no one other. So I'm going to do that. I have to disable the mesh render, so it will not show, but I will activate the sun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the Mercury into the sun. Okay, so what I will do, that I am going to duplicate this one 7 times. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have 8 planet. Okay, the second one is Venus. Okay, I will rename it Venus, and the third one will be the Earth. Okay, I will rename is Earth. It's so important to name these all game objects, because you will be you are easier to find that. Okay, so fourth one is Mars, I think so. After the Earth there is Mars, and Mars, after the Mars I think it's Venus, Mercury, Jupiter. Okay, we have to see this, that planets of solar system. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. The next one is Jupiter, J, and we will let me open this. Okay, we will name it Jupiter, and the next one is Saturn. Okay, and the next one is Uranus. Okay, the next one is Uranus, and I just want to Uranus, and after the Uranus Neptune. Neptune, it's N, and it's Neptune. Okay, so we got the 8th planet. Okay, Mercury. And now what I will do, I will okay, the second one is Venus. I will select the Venus and make it little bit okay like this. Yes, and the Earth will be like there, and the Mars, I think so, like here, and the Jupiter, we have to make this Jupiter like here, and this Saturn like here. I'm just positioning them randomly. Okay, so don't need to worry about, and I don't know how to make I even don't know the speed, okay, of these. So, and the other thing I am going to do is I'm going to select the main camera and go to the game objects and align with view. As I'm seeing these planets, the camera will also be showed like this. Okay. So the other thing we need to do is we are going to add the textures. So that one is Mercury, so I am adding the Mercury texture. The next one I think is Venus, so the next one is Venus. I am added the Venus. It's the Earth, so I'm just adding the Earth texture, and then I think it's the Mars. Yes, this is the Mars, and find the Mars texture, and yes, and the Jupiter one. Okay, here is the Jupiter. Where is the Jupiter? Okay, yes, there is the Jupiter, and the Saturn. Okay, we got here the Saturn. Okay, here we go. Saturn, and the Uranus. So I added the Uranus, and that one I think is Neptune, the last one. Okay, we have added the planet textures to that. So now we are going to create a script. So let's create a C# script and rename it. It will be the Mercury rotation. Okay, Mercury, no, it will be the revolution. Okay, because it will revolute around the sun. Okay, and for the rotation of the planet we will make the animation. So this is for the Mercury, and we will create the 8 scripts because it's important. So I'm making the simple one. Okay, let's create another, and C# script. It will be the Venus revolution. and the next one will be the, because okay, first we want to revolute the Mercury around the Sun. So what will we do? There is a single line. We will add come on. Okay, you can use Visual Studio, and also you can use the code editor of Unity, which you can go to edit. Just a minute. Come on. It's taking time a little bit. Okay, you can it is starting. Why it's taking time? Change the target. You can it's doing okay. Okay, you go to okay, you can go to the editor and go to the preferences, and external tools you can change into by Visual Studio, or you can use the mono develop, the Unity built-in code editor. So it's for the Mercury evolution. So just go to into update. Okay, let's start. Come on. What the hell? Okay, we're back. Sorry for the late thing. Okay, we go to into update function and just write the transform dot rotate. What the, but it's not rotate. Yeah, transforms dot rotate, and it will be the 0, comma, we're going to rotate it around the x-axis, I don't know, y-axis, so x and z-axis will be 0, and it will be the 0.1 in float value, and the next one is 0, and just we're adding some it's okay. There is a single word which will be the I think it will be enough. Rotate into okay, let's check out. Let's go back to the Unity. It's checking that there is any error, so there is no error. So the sun of Mercury, we will add the script to that one. Okay, now the thing is that the sun which is here will move, and the Mercury, that planet, is inside this one, so it will also move. So it looks like the Mercury moving around the sun. Let's just play and check this out. Okay, you can see that the Mercury is moving around the sun. So that was the idea. It's moving around the sun of 0.1 speed float. Okay, so now we want to rotate this Mercury, that it also rotate and complete its one rotation. Okay, one cycle, like Earth complete one rotation in I think 24 hours. So just select the Mercury, go to the window and animation. We will create the animation. Okay, we will write the Mercury rotation. Okay, Mercury rotation, just create this animation, and what we will do, we will go to there. We're selecting the rotation panel, and we will rotate like this along I think y-axis. Just click that start animation button, and we will select like 3 minutes. Okay, and we will rotate it like this. It's completed one circle. So we have made the animation. Now just play the animation. So it's rotating, but it's too fast, so we can make it slow, like make it 5 seconds. Let's play. Oh, it's so fast. Okay, we will make it 15 seconds, like this one. So now it's I think better. So just we have made the animation. Now you will see I play it, the animation will automatically play with the rotation and revolution. You can see from there, like this, it's also moving and also rotating. Like this we can. So this is the idea, like how we make the animation and rotation. So you will add these functions to like all of the other planets, and they will move like around the sun. So guys, I think you got this one, and I'm not wasting the time, same doing with the all others, and you can do this by yourself. And in the next tutorial I will make all the all the solar system working. So all the planets will be moving around the sun in their orbits, and also rotate and revolve. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. You have learned I think many things. So good luck with your work, and please like and subscribe my channel, and also like my video and comment it, and click on the bell icon. You will get the new notifications and new updates. Okay guys, Allah Hafiz.